Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. We're going to get into the video in just a second. Note, there's a number around this video. If you need us, please give us a call. We want to help. Any questions you have, we can get you answered. There's a bunch of these videos, so if your questions aren't answered here, you can look at some of those other videos. Give us a call. There'll be a link or a button around here to jump into a chat with us if that's what you'd like to do. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to solve the problems you have. You have a fantastic day, and the question we're going to be answering today is, how does Kingstree Plumbing deal with negative reviews? So we have hundreds of 5-star reviews. We're very proud of our 5-star reviews. Unfortunately, we do have 1-star reviews. Now, I will note that at this time, we have never had a 1-star review based on our work, our service. We do have 1-star reviews, some completely random ones from different countries. We have blank ones with no names, and we have some based on our pricing or communication, maybe as we were building and developing as a company, communication. But these, every time we get a bad review, we jump on them as a team. We figure out how to deal with the situation to make things right as quickly as possible if we can. Sometimes we can't contact people. We try multiple times to contact people, and people have slipped through. We do everything we can. These reviews are one of the biggest things for a local family business. They're very important to us and have a big negative impact bad reviews have. So it's quick for us. We can't stop reviews. We can do everything we can. We have reviews based on a phone call explaining our process that we've done thousands of people. The same phone call explaining, we come out, we give you options, we charge $129 diagnostic fee, all of these things explained. We've had 1-star reviews based on explaining our process and how people don't agree with that. So people will leave 1-star reviews and not think about the impact it has on companies. But for us, this is an answer on how we deal with them. We get a review, we get on it as quickly as possible, we call as quickly as possible, let them know we're looking into it. Is there anything we can do right now to fix it? As I said, we haven't had any negative reviews based on work, doing any damage or anything like that. It's always based on either a communication issue or a price. Someone doesn't agree with our pricing, which, as you know, if you've looked for a few of these, we explain all of our pricing before we do any work at all. So no one is ever in a situation where they don't know what the price is before we do the work. So if it's on price, it's based on the quote. It's unfortunate, but yeah, we jump on stuff as quickly as possible. But our step-by-step process is as follows. So immediate acknowledgement. We will try to reach out to the client as quickly as possible to figure out what we can do to put things right. We will answer our replies as quickly as possible to let not just the client know what's happened, but to everyone else who's reading the comments, because some reviews don't reflect what's actually happened. And as much as I want to try and protect the company, I do want to be fair to people being able to leave reviews. I've left bad reviews when I've had a bad service, so we have to respect that. But I also want to defend Kingstree Plumbing as well, because I'm very proud of what we've done. All of our reviews have come from us being transparent up front with people, and people maybe not liking that approach. So after our initial phone call, if we don't deal with it right away, we get to figuring out exactly what's happened. So with the software and Kingstree Plumbing and the software we use, we're able to track pretty much everything. We know the timeline of all of our customers, exactly what's happened, all of the communication that's happened before and after. Our technicians are photographing and videoing their jobs, so we really can track the whole job and see exactly what's going on. So that's one of the benefits to using Kingstree Plumbing, is that all of that stuff, there's a historic trail of all of that stuff, and we can go back and see a very detailed view of what's going on. Once we've been through everything that we have, we'll call the customer back. We'll either do a follow-up visit or a follow-up call, and we try and resolve the issue. Basically, some of our negative reviews we just can't resolve. We don't know who they are. They don't leave any comments. It doesn't really help anyone else when you leave a bad review and don't write what the review is for. I think the main thing for us to do as a company is to focus on 5 stars, which we do, and we get 5 stars every day. If we focus on those, any negative reviews that come in, they get buried with very happy people, so very happy clients, and that's what we focus on as a company. So there's not many companies out there that don't have the odd negative review. It's hard to know the story behind them. It's unfortunate. Also, people don't have thousands of 5-star reviews. To me, that's not very believable as well. So there's going to be someone who's had a negative experience somewhere along the line. You can't please everyone. I hope that's cleared up how we deal with reviews. If you have had a negative experience and you've wound up on this video and you're listening to me, please reach out. We'll do absolutely everything we can to try and make things right. We want referrals. We want customers that have come from other happy customers. That's our goal, to build a client base like that are happy to refer us. So anyone who's not happy, that's a big problem for us, and we want to fix it. You have a fantastic day. I hope to speak to you soon. Call the number or click the button and let's get that communication going. And you have a fantastic day. See you later. Bye.